Hi everyone, I'm Ricky Avellino, and this is my verse for the day. First Thessalonians 5:18. In everything give thanks, for this is the will of God. Napaka-importante na mag-give thanks tayo every day. Kahit na meron tayo na encounter na maganda or challenge man yan or problem man yan, always give thanks because that is the will of God. So hindi natin alam na kung bakit natin na-encounter yon. Minsan, sometimes, no, akala natin parang palpak. Bakit ganito nangyari sa akin? Bakit ganyan? Yung pala, para sa kabutihan natin. Yung pala, halimbawa na lang, bakit nasira yung sapatos ko, late na nga ako. Di ba? Minsan nainis tayo sa ganun. Pero yung pala, it is the way ng Lord dahil meron pala magkakabanggaan. Di ba? So, para maligtas ka. So, iba't ibang bagay. And tsaka rin, maganda rin meron tayong gratitude, meron tayong attitude na always giving thanks para yung ating heart, yung ating sarili ay maging maganda yung pakiramdam natin magaan. So again, give thanks in all circumstances, for this is the will of God. Okay, First Thessalonians 5:18. Okay, so always give thanks and always smile and be happy. Always remember, Avelinos, humility is power. God bless everyone. Be great. Bye-bye.